Aloha Camper Traveler here, and this is what happens when you take on a project and do it yourself. This is the window regulator for my 2014 GMC Terrain, and I replaced it. I didn't completely show you the whole thing, but anyway, the window is working just fine. It's going up and down just like I expected it to, with a brand new regulator that I got from Amazon, and it's a GM product, a real General Motors window regulator that bolted right in. I forgot to write down the part number, unfortunately, but I did want to show you that the window is working just fine, and anybody can do it. It's just a matter of having the right tools. Pardon me with the ums. There's a in this little door handle, there's a little thing you have to pop out, and there's a screw behind there. And this is the toughest part, popping this out without breaking it. I think I got it from back here and flipped it up, and then there's a little clip in here. You open this up, and there's two bolts. There's two bolts inside there. You undo those bolts, and this panel, you go on this edge right here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you go to that edge and you pry out on it with those plastic, like, I don't know what they call them, but they're from Harbor Freight, and they help you to break that loose without damaging anything. And but anyway, this is a follow-up video that it is working, and you can do it. You just have to take your time, and hopefully my video will make it a little easier for you. But don't be afraid to try it. The hardest part is when you put it back together, is getting this little door lock button in the right location so that it works. And also there's a latch, kind of a cable that comes in here that goes to this, that you also need to be sure that that's hooked up. And once you get this fastened back on, and then you install this, and you make sure you get your wire, there's going to be a wire that connects to this that's going to hang down. And shoot, the dealer wanted $250 just for the part. I paid $70, I think it was, shipped to my location, and they wanted another $250 to repair it. So it would have been $500 to have the dealer fix it, and I fixed it myself for less than $100, including all the tools that I had to buy. So there you go. You can do it. Just give it a try. Aloha Camper Traveler signing off. I'll try to do more videos like this. I keep forgetting whenever I fix something to videotape it and show you guys out there. So anyway, have a great day. Be safe. Be kind to each other. Aloha.